Technological advancements and geopolitical shifts have transformed communication, work, and privacy, while emerging powers challenge Western dominance and emphasize global cooperation on climate change and public health. Climate change and COVID-19 highlight urgent challenges, driving sustainability and green technologies. The pandemic disrupts economies, accelerating digital transformation, emphasizing public health and adaptability. The pandemic has accelerated remote work, challenged office norms, and reevaluated work-life balance, reshaping corporate cultures and potentially altering work methods and locations. Our current situation presents a unique and challenging environment, necessitating collective action for transformative change and a focus on creating a sustainable, equitable. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe.